Hi guys, it's Beatty. Today I'm dyeing my hair turquoise. Well, technically it's peacock blue, but the color is turquoise. I mean, it says blue, but it looks turquoise. It actually looks blue in the bottle, but I don't know. The pictures showed turquoise, so we're going with turquoise. I didn't dye my own hair for such a long time. I don't even remember how to do it, so let me just consult my instructions. Well, it says to do a patch test, which I didn't do, but I'm sure it's fine. I mean, I'm sure it's gonna be fine. Might regret that later, but I'm sure it's gonna be fine. Okay, I need to wash and towel dry my hair, so let me just do that. My hair is towel dried, I guess. I think this is towel dry, right? So I just put it on, leave it for 30 minutes and rinse thoroughly. It says to wear gloves. I don't have gloves. They didn't provide me with gloves. Well, I guess I'm dyeing my hands today as well. I've got gloves. Problem. I also have long nails. I guess I'm just going to try to put them on and not pierce them with my nails. Should I split my hair? Like section it? Or is it like no point doing that? So I have a balayage done on my head, but that was like 4 months ago or 3 months ago. 4 months ago. So it's quite grown out, and I'm just hoping that only the blonde ends will actually get dyed this color, and I hope that it will look nice. Life is so hard with long nails. I don't know why nobody talks about it. I am literally dying for like a week. I don't even know why I split my hair, because I think I'm just gonna pour it all over. I used to do that all the time in high school. I used to have all sorts of crazy colors on my head, but it's been around 13 years since I actually had a color on my head, so I'm quite nervous. How do I do this? I just pour it onto my head, or I just pour it onto my hair? I guess hand would do. Oh, ooh. Wait, how is this the same color? Well, I typed on Amazon turquoise hair color and this is what came up, so I guess we're doing this. Oh my god, I've done it. There's no turning back. Literally no turning back. Interesting. It's kind of greenish on my hair. If you can see. Can you see this? Why am I doing this? I don't even know why am I doing this. I just woke up one day and thought I want to have a hair color on my head. And this is what popped into my Amazon basket, and now we're here. I'm actually hoping one bottle is gonna be enough. So I'm not gonna open the second one just yet. To be honest, I think this hair color is too thick to be in a bottle like this. Wait, should I have mixed it with something? No, it just say apply, wear gloves. This was a mistake because it's kind of pointless. Oh, I should not have done that. My scalp is gonna be blue. Too late now. I think I should have also put Vaseline around my forehead, but I'm just gonna be careful. Okay, I gotta admit this bottle has a decent amount inside at least. And my hair has a lot of layers, so probably that's why. I'm gonna be fine with just one bottle. My long nails are useful for combing through my hair. I don't know if the sideburns count. Ooh. Ooh. My whole chin. I'm just gonna be careful. I'm just gonna be careful. That's what I said. Okay, I don't actually know if any of this will take because most of it is grown out already, so I might just be painting my scalp blue for no fucking reason. There's still a lot inside. Is this gonna come off on my pillow? I don't even know why I put all this color on my scalp. Honestly, I didn't need to do that. Oh my god, I see the blonde parts being blue. Did I just... Yeah, I definitely just put paint all over my chin. Oh my god, I'm wearing gloves and I'm painting all over my arm. Somehow when I do this on my sister, I managed to get nothing on me today. It's just not my day. I mean, it doesn't help that I don't have a mirror in front of me. Why didn't I put a mirror in front of me? I have a mirror to put in front of me. Why am I stupid? Okay, I think that's enough. I don't know why I thought I can save my hands with gloves, but no. Not my style. I also could not save my face. I don't even know how this happened. I guess it's me, so it happened. Let's see each other in 30 minutes to see what kind of mess I created. So, this happened when I washed my head. And I also can't take the dye off my face. Apparently I forgot how to dye my hair, and I forgot that you should really wear gloves when you're washing your hair. So Smurf hand. Smurf forehead, I guess, as well. Oh my god. I think I need to rinse it again. Why did I even put it on my scalp? I didn't need it on my scalp. I'm hoping this will come off with bio oil. Have a little bit on the cloth. Hopefully this comes off, because I really don't want to have blue face for New Year's Eve. My ear is also blue. Everything is blue. I'm hoping my hair is teal though and not blue, because that was the deal of this hair, that it should be teal. Oh, I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Oh. Why did I do this to myself? This was a bad idea. Oh no, it's not coming off. My god, the Smurf hand, I can't. Let's hope that tomorrow my face is not going to be blue. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm not going to lie, it's a couple of days later. But yeah, this is the color my hair turned out. I am going to do a blowout now, so you can see the full effect. I smoothed my hair a bit with a hairdryer and a diffuser, and now I'm going to add some body to it. I'm going to do that with my favorite hair tool. This is a very old John Frieda wand. I really love doing my hair with this. It makes a noise. It's on the verge of breaking, but it's the best hair tool I found. In this process, I also forgot that if I wet my hair with the sea salt spray and then run my fingers through it, they'll be blue again. What I like to do on a blowout like this is just do a couple of big waves to add some more body to it. I have loads of layers, so this works for me very well. I'm just taking like a big section from the top. I'm putting the hair tool with the slope of my nose that way, like that, and I just give it a little body. This won't stay like this, obviously. It will be much softer when I brush it through. This is what I do throughout the head, so I'm just going to do like 4 curls on each side. Because I had a balayage before, I can see like here, for example, I have my natural hair color, but then the ends where it was blonde, now it's teal. Which, to be honest, I didn't even think that this hair dye will take so much. I thought that it would be much lighter, or maybe I didn't believe that the hair dye is good enough. Now I know that this hair dye is in fact strong enough. I know it looks weird doing it like this, but trust me, it will work out. Especially if you have so many layers like I do, this will work out. Now here, where it's like flopping, this is always happening, just gonna pin with those kind of pins. This hairspray is magic, basically. I also really like to spray a gel for texture. Now you can see how this side looks a little more texturized and this side is just smooth. I do like texture in my hair. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my hair dyeing experiment, I guess. I did think it's going to be a lighter color, but overall I'm very satisfied with how this turned out. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. I usually do makeup content and some beauty/lifestyle content, and I'll see you next time. Oh god. Oh god, destroying everything.